My name is Wilson Pondamali. I'm a freelance investigative journalist. I'm appearing in court for protecting my source, for being a professional journalist. I am coming from a media background. I've worked in the broadcasting industry. I've worked at Radio Mano. They miss me. I never stole anything, not even any single microphone. I worked at the Times of Zambia. I never committed any criminal offense. I worked for the Post newspapers. I only resigned on professional integrity. Not that I was fired. I only resigned on professional integrity. I have been a correspondent for the Daily Nation, and I love my job. I have been a correspondent for the Zambian Watchdog, and I love my job. I am digging deeper. I'm in court not because of a crime, because of being ethical. I'm not an executive journalist. I am on the field. So it's the person who knows it, who feels it better. It's unfortunate that some people would go scathing instead of sympathizing. They have shown themselves what kind of people they are going to be. When you are in problems, they are going to laugh at you. I am going to be with you because I've heard you and I want to be with you. I will not speak anything more than that. Thank you very much.